This week, I learned how to bat spin, which is basically a very simple trick that involves swinging a baseball bat, but in the middle of the swing, you give the stick a good 360 spin in the air. Now, when I first saw this trick on YouTube, I honestly thought it was some sort of illusion or editing trick that could be done with a camera. But after doing a little research on the internet, I learned that it was an actual skill that could be acquired. However, starting out though, I quickly realized that this particular skill involved overcoming something that I was not anticipating to encounter. I'm gonna hit myself in the shin, I know it. Fear. Oh no. Yo, this kid has the same bat as me, and also the same sweatshirt that I had in high school. You know what? One moment. Safety first. It didn't take me long to see how dangerous this trick really was, as you're required to put quite a bit of pepper on the speed of your swing to get the correct spinning effect on the bat. Ow! Oh! Ow! Oh! There's nothing like getting your finger to bleed underneath your nail. Oh my goodness. So after that little incident, I decided that I should probably put on some gloves to protect my poor little fingers. However, I did have one small oversight. Ow! Ah! I knew that was gonna happen. Ah! It was at that point that I decided to call it a day for bat tricking and try to spend a little quality time with my dogs who really appreciate me. Today, I came prepared. Never mind, these things make it impossible. The following day, I really tried to focus on getting a good flick in my wrist going, as after watching a couple of pros online, I noticed that a lot of the torque in this trick comes from both hands pulling in the opposite direction as soon as the front of the bat is perpendicular to your body. And this helped a ton. Oh, that was it. Oh, that wasn't it. Hey, that felt pretty good. Woo! Once I started timing the flick of my wrist with the momentum of the bat, it was really just a matter of getting my hands on the handle and getting my head out of the way.